Hello guys, again it's so good to hear from you again. I hope you enjoyed your vacations there at home. And I have here a new tutorial video about the general review of the topics that we have studied so far. Remember these three math practice handouts. You were supposed to work on every of these exercises. Let's do it now so you can check if you had the right answers or you made any mistakes so you can correct them at home. Um, okay, the first exercise at the top of the tree was rationals. The first exercise was about how to graph a rational number. Here you have negative 1 and 2/5. Okay? The first thing we have to do is to check if the number is negative. Negatives are from the 0 to the left. So I locate or plot the negative 1 there. And then these 2 over 5, I need to divide this number, this section from negative 1 to negative 2 into 5 parts. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And the number at the top, which is the numerator, indicates the parts you are going to take, 1 and 2. So here is where we plot negative 1 and 2/5. Okay? Now, simplifying. Another exercise that you found on the tree is simplifying. Simplifying is a property to get an equivalent expression. How do we do? If you can see, we have a very long expression. The first thing we have to do is to check like terms. In other words, check the numbers or the terms that have variables and the ones that don't have variables. We put them together and we solve the parentheses. 50, we start with 50. 50 doesn't have any variable, so we look for another one that has no variable. Which is the other one? Negative 26 or minus 26. As you can see here, it's 26, and you're going to write the symbol before the number. So, minus 26. Do we have another one? No. Okay, we enclose this in parentheses. Which is the next number? Number 6 with the variable w. The symbol or the sign that is before this number is a positive. So you write it. And then 6w. Do we have another number with the variable w? Yes. 4w. Which is the sign before? Plus. So I write the plus here. And then I write 4w. We don't have any more, so we enclose them in parentheses. Now we have to solve the parentheses. How much is 50 minus 26? It's 24. I copy the same sign here. And how much is 6w plus 4w? That will be 10w. This is the answer. Okay? Some of you made a mistake. You make the addition of 24 and 10w and you wrote 24w. That's not okay. You don't do that because in order to make the addition of two numbers, you need to have the same variable here and in the other term. Okay? As you can see here, we have W, but we don't have any W here in the 24. So you cannot make the addition. Next, it was distributive property. The distributive property, as you can see here in this exercise, the one that I had on the tree, when you have a number outside the parentheses and inside the parentheses you have an addition or a subtraction, the procedure is this. This number outside multiplies each of the numbers in the inside. So I'm going to multiply 8 times 2y. That would be 16y. Now, the other number is 1/4. You write the same sign. But how much is 8 times 1/4? I will do it here. 8 times 1/4. Of course, you need to place the 1 here. And the way we multiply this is numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. 8 times 1 is 8. And 1 times 4 is 4. And if you divide 8 into 4, the result is 2. So the next number here is 2. There we have the first 3 examples from the tree that I have. We will continue on the second video of the following the next exercises that we are not yet resolved, but we will do it in the second video sequence. Okay, thank you.